Most welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, right now, I am at Samdanpur village under district of Bishnat, Assam. Today, we are going to discuss in farming sector. There are many types of lemon tree. Now you will get to see what are the type of lemon tree. This is called Bas lemon. Guys, people really want to know what are the types of lemon in this world. There are 101 types of lemon tree in this world. Lemon trees grow 10 to 20 feet tall and 10 to 15 feet wide according. There is almost 1 hectares in this area.
1 hectare.
Now I am going to show inside the plant area what is inside. Now you can see these are lemon fruits. There are many lemon fruits inside the tree. If you pluck this lemon, it may be